Hey, it's Frank from Touchstone, and I'm here to walk you through how we were able to transform a classic wood-burning fireplace using the Touchstone Fireplug Pro. We designed the Fireplug to work with existing hearths, with a classic design and trim package that makes installation simple. It all starts here with a classic wood-burning hearth. The Fireplug was designed for just this setting. Before we start, we want to make sure the Fireplug is the right fit for you. Take the time before your order to measure the width, the depth, and the height of the existing fireplace opening. One of the most important measures is the depth. The Fireplug's firebox is 7.5 inches deep, so be sure to confirm the clearance of the top, bottom, and sides. The Fireplug comes with a 1-inch trim. If you ordered a 2 or 4-inch trim kit, you'll receive 2 boxes. Use a utility knife to get started opening the fireplace box. To get started setting up your crystal media and driftwood, you'll need to remove the front glass. The glass is easy to remove using a standard Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to place the glass in a safe location and save the screws in small black plate for reinstalling. For replacing the 1-inch trim, let's start by identifying the screws holding the 1-inch trim. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, let's begin by removing the top screws attaching the trim to the fireplace. Then we'll remove the smaller screws, which secure the frame of the trim together in the corners. Once these screws holding the top trim have been removed, lift the trim straight up. Be sure to save your screws. You'll need them later. We're now going to remove the screws securing the 1-inch trim on the side of the fireplace. Once removed, the trim comes off the firebox easily. Again, be sure to save your screws. You'll need these later. Time to open your trim kit box. In this video, we'll be replacing the 1-inch trim with 4-inch trim. The 4-inch trim lines up the same way the 1-inch was installed. The top trim fits in the side trim, so we're lining it up carefully with the side trim. Push down to secure it in place. Again, we're using those safe screws from the 1-inch top trim to secure the 4-inch top trim. We're about to install the Fireplug. These adjustable feet help seat your fireplace on uneven surfaces. The Fireplug can be plugged in or hardwired to its electrical connection. Time to put the Fireplug in the opening of your hearth. Get a friend to help you place it. With the bottom first, then guide the top back into place. When setting up the hearth display, start with the black crystals. It's best to use the supplied gloves to protect your hands during this process. Spread the crystals evenly. Now it's time to place the supplied driftwood on the crystals. There's no single way to arrange these wood pieces here. Place them in whatever position or angle that appears to be the most realistic to you. Looking for some inspiration? Visit our website gallery for some ideas for arranging your driftwood. With your crystals and driftwood installed, let's replace the fireplace's front glass to its original position. Replace the screws that held the glass in place in the upper left and right corners. The small magnetic piece hides the screw's connection. With the fireplace installed and the glass reinstalled, you're ready to start enjoying your Fireplug electric fireplace. The control panel lets you power on, adjust the flame display, set the timer, and turn on the heat. Use the Touchstone remote for more features like controlling the crackle speaker, or get complete control using the Touchstone app. With your fireplace installed, you're ready to start enjoying your Touchstone Fireplug Pro. If you need more help, please reach out to our support team via phone, email, or website chat. More details on connecting the Fireplug to the Touchstone app can be found in our product support pages. Thanks for making the decision to purchase a fireplace from Touchstone.